Live. Family, get your pen and paper out for this one. I jam-packed it with bangers. First banger on the list is Rocket Labs. Now, Rocket Labs has already run a lot, but the room to run is still there. But this is only the beginning of this video, family. We're gonna break it all the way down. Rocket Labs is ticker symbol RKLB. It's currently $134. It's up 8% basically in the last day, but it's up 425% in the last year. A lot of people are running towards this one, but when you look at the breakdown of how much of the market that they control, it's only about 1 to 2% of the market compared to SpaceX, which controls about 80% of the market. So that's a big dog, and Rocket Labs is a little dog, but people want to see, can this little dog grow in a similar way that we had NVIDIA grow up like crazy, and that was the main player, but then we had AMD, another chip maker, grow up and follow it too. However, I want you to understand, thinking that SpaceX is NVIDIA and Rocket Labs is AMD is not the best comparison, because NVIDIA and AMD, they do basically the same things overall. But SpaceX and Rocket Labs, they kind of do different things. You could think of Rocket Labs like more of a niche supplier versus SpaceX. They could send anything to space. But here's the power and value of this video. SpaceX and Rocket Labs aren't going to be the only space-related stocks that you could buy on the stock market. There's a few other ones. We're going to list them from lowest risk to highest risk. And then we got something special at the end for all of them. The first one is called EchoStar, ticker symbol SATS. And there are reports that they have roughly $11 billion worth of SpaceX under their ownership already. So what that means is if you buy them, you are already buying into SpaceX. The medium risk one is currently Rocket Lab. And Wall Street is currently calling them the only scaled Western space platform outside of SpaceX. So this is the one that is actually bigger than the other one that I just mentioned. Their revenue was up 64%, so it's growing like crazy. And their backlog has doubled to 2.2 billion, meaning they got $2 billion worth of orders that they just didn't even finish yet. And they got to get through it. So Rocket Labs is growing fast, but it's still not a profitable company. And I want to just slow down and take a station break and tell you, when you're looking at these rocket companies that are not profitable or they nowhere near making the amount of money that they have potential to just yet, these are all short-term trades that have the potential to graduate into long-term investments. Then we have our third one, which is Fly. This one is the highest risk, highest reward. Firefly, ticker symbol FLY. They're saying is the classic high growth to high burn territory stock. They're operating at a net loss, meaning that they're not a profitable company just yet. But these things have been going crazy since April of 2024. And many people haven't heard about a lot of these yet. So we want to bring this to your attention. Now we're going to dig a little bit deeper into each of them. But then at the end, I'm going to show you something that is a way better balanced play.